Yeah, I'm Dave Chestermaster. I live in Newtown, or just outside Newtown, and I'm a member of the Newtown Garden Club, and I volunteer helping out gardening in the Jubilee beds.
What we're doing today is planting 60 small daffodils and narcissi to fill in the gaps, which will come in the spring, brighten everything up.
When we need to and want to, we come down to the Jubilee beds and weed, plant, water, prune, and just have a jolly good time.
And judging by the reaction of people who go past, they do appreciate what's being done.
We've adopted 2 of the beds. Another group have adopted the other bed. We were looking after them last year, this year, and I believe we're looking after them next year too.
Well, I can't do a whole garden myself now. That is beyond me, but I thought I could probably help with the others and at least do something to contribute.
Volunteering is a nice way of being with other folk, chatting, having a laugh, and actually feeling good at the end of the session of gardening. We did that and we feel good about it.
We enjoy ourselves here. It makes the town look good. It makes it certainly look as though somebody cares about the place, and that's very important.
Newtown has some lovely gardens. They need looking after. They haven't necessarily got the money for the staff, for the gardeners, so it's a way of giving Newtown, something back really. Yeah.